Hello guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 19. We are so close to Christmas and I am so excited. Today's video I will be doing a clean and decorate with me in my family room. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all subscribe. And once you subscribe, hit that notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, let's jump on into this video.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Well, I'm all for.
I'm going to be doing a full house Christmas tour this year. So I'm not going to show you everything in my family room because I do have my mantle set up and I do have some Christmas trees set up in this area. I will be showing that when I do my completed Christmas home tour.
As soon as you remove that snow, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come.
I am so obsessed with these two picks that I got from Hobby Lobby. I just love the greens and the creams and the frosted color and design of the picks. I also inserted some white picks that I got from the thrift store, and it just completed the whole look.
Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose.
have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside,
This is the completed look of my sofa console. I'm not sure if it's going to stay like this. I might change it up for the home tour, but like I stated in the earlier part of this video, that I am going to be doing a Christmas tour for 2020. But I'm just giving you an overview of how the area looks right now after I, did a little bit of the cleaning. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.